How to send Bitcoin in crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can send Bitcoin in crypto.com. So in order to send Bitcoin in crypto.com, all you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, log in into your crypto.com, and once logged in, tap the transfer button located in the top right hand side. After that, you'll be able to see on the lower half of your screen menu box. So select withdrawal. After that, you need to select crypto since you're dealing with the crypto process. Now you'll need to select external wallet. As soon as you select external wallet, make sure that you already have the wallet address where you actually transferring the cryptos. Select Bitcoin in our case, and after that you need to paste in the wallet address where you actually transferring. So after that, once you're done entering the wallet address, you also need to select the name of the wallet, that is where are you actually transferring. So once you're done entering the information, tap the continue button. Next page, you'll need to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to transfer or that you wish to send. So if you're sure about the information, then click the withdrawal button. And lastly, you'll need to go through all of the review process. So if you're sure about the details you've provided or the information that you've provided, and click the confirm button located right at the bottom. And lastly, you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully sent Bitcoin in crypto.com. In this way, you can send Bitcoin in crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.